Thank you for using Trend Micro Security. In this video, we'll teach you how to use the Trend Micro Toolbar's page ratings on your PC. This video applies to all three PC editions: Maximum, Internet Security, and Antivirus Plus. Trend Micro Toolbar is a web browser extension that can warn you about security risks associated with the websites you visit. It protects against fraudulent Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook webmail via Email Defender, checks your online privacy in Facebook, X, and LinkedIn, and launches PayGuard, a hardened version of your default browser to protect your financial transactions. To use the Trend Micro page ratings, ensure that you have the Trend Micro Toolbar extension added to your browser. If you conduct a search and the search results reveal malicious sites, the Trend Micro Toolbar's page ratings will rate the danger of the website in the search results as trusted, untested, or dangerous. If you click the link to the dangerous website, you'll be blocked. Congratulations! You've just learned how to use the Trend Micro Toolbar's page ratings. This concludes this tutorial. For more information about Trend Micro Security, go to the following website.